Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Moana from Disney's Moana 2. So let's get started. To draw a cute Moana, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come across about this wide and draw another circle. There. So my two circles in, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. So now that the eyes in, I'm going to come to the sides right here and spruce them up a bit with some lashes. So I'll draw one and another one. So same thing here, a shorter one and then a longer one. Then from there, let's come to the top of her eye, and about right here, we're going to go ahead and draw a soft arc and angle it down, and then we're just going to thicken it up and shade it all in. So same thing on the other side, right on top of her eye. There. And then let's give her a smile. So about right here in the center, I'm going to go ahead and draw a soft curve and bring it up and cap it off. From there, let's go ahead and frame her face. So I'm going to come to the top of her eye, right where these lashes are. Just give myself a point. Same thing here. And we're just going to go ahead and draw a curve around the eye. Same thing here. And then we're going to bring it down with a curve like the bottom of a U. And I'm going to aim towards the center. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point so I know where I'm going with my curve. There, about right there, and the same thing on this side. And connect. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and just bring this up a tiny bit more. Same thing here. And let's draw her hairline. So just kind of imagining a oval about right here towards the center. I'm just going to give myself a point. And from here, I'm just going to draw a curve, and then about right here, I'm going to bring it down at a slant, close to her brow, and then come out. And then on this side, I'm going to go up with a strand of hair, and I'm going to bring it down towards her brow once again. And let's see here, let's just flick it out. And then right back here, to fill in this space. And then we can go ahead, and her hair part's right here, so I'm just going to kind of curve it out. And about right here, I'm going to go up to the top of her hair, and this side's going to come down. So then from there, let's see here, let's come back to this, let's come back here, and we're just going to draw another strand, and then in this area, I'll just pop in an ear. Detail in there, and you can come back up here if you like and put in this strand. And it should wobble a little bit there. Okay, and then we can bring this down, and as we come down, we're just going to wobble it for curly hair. And same thing on this side, so about right here. Just nice full hair, and put in some details there with a strand. Okay, so before we finish all of her hair, let's go ahead and draw her body first. So I'm going to come back to the center, give her a little neck here and here, and I'm going to curve this out for her shoulders and come down. And same thing here. And come down. And then I'm going to imagine where her armpit area, about right here. Just give myself 2 points on both sides, about right here. And before, this is where I'm going to draw a curve, but before I finish that, I'm just going to come right to the center just so I don't need to erase. And I'm just going to draw this big oval for her necklace. Okay, then now I can go ahead and connect with a curve down. And then we can go ahead and in this area, I'm going to thicken it up. And then now we can go ahead and draw an angle line in. There. And then we need to draw this strap right here. So right about here, one strap, about here, we're just going to wobble this side. Come right here and just pop this out. And then let's connect our necklace. So I'm just going to draw 2, 3, 4. And 4, just to connect it. And right here, some detail, just put in a curve. And then we can go ahead and bring this down a little bit more. Right there, and then I'm going to go ahead and connect. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and draw her skirt. So we're going to pop this out, come out, so keep coming down. And so let's come in here with some of the layers. Let's see here, first one, so got one right here, and then there's the sash part that comes over here. So this is much lower, and then you can come in here with a little line and just break it off. You can pop this out as well if you like, and pop this out as well. And then we can go ahead and start to split her skirt. So about right here, we're going to split it, and let's say about right here, split again. So now that we have this, we can go ahead and just bring this down a tiny bit more, curve it in to about right there, and connect. So same thing on this side, just bring it down to the same level, bring this down and go up slightly and connect. There. Okay, one more layer. So then we're going to come in right about here and here, and I'm just going to draw a bunch of zigzags all the way across. Just make it look like straw right here. It's like that texture right in here. And you can, I guess I won't do it with my Sharpie, but like with a darker tan color, you can just draw in a bunch of lines for some texture. And then from there, let's go ahead and draw her legs. So find your center, which is about right here. We're going to go to the left, go to the right, and just about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw 2 angle lines about right here. So just having her feet apart, so it's going to get thinner as we come down to her ankle, about right there. And then in this area, we're going to come down. This is going to flare out and curve. So this is going to be her toe area right here, and connect. And you can put in a little curve right there. So same thing on this side, about right here. And then before we finish this, since I don't want to erase, I'm just going to stop right here and cut it off. She has this little cuff right here that she wears, and I'll just go ahead and connect it and then continue my feet. So same thing like the other side. This part's going to flare out a little bit more, round it off, toe, and then in. There. Okay, so then for some details in here, just put in maybe three circles and some lines. There. Okay, so then finally let's draw her arms. So on this side, let's have it on her hips. So I'm going to come right back to here, about right there, and then we're going to angle it in, and then just angle. And then once again, just go ahead and thicken it up. Come down for her elbow, and then we're going to bring it in. And as we get here, slant down more, and then just come out with a little curve. And then on this side, I'm just having it hang to her side. So we're just going to bring this down and curve it in slightly. So her elbow will be here, arms, so then about, let's say about right here. I'm trying to make sure I'm about the same length. And okay, so then about right here, wrist, so then we draw thumb. Let's bring this down, thicken it up, about the elbow area, and then bring it in. And then right here, just round it off of her fingers. There. Okay, so now that we have that, we can finally finish her beautiful hair. So I'm just going to wobble and make it really long and just bring it in. So same thing here. And just bring it in. Some details if you like. And there. Okay, so then for her outfit, let's come back quickly with some more details, the important ones. I'm going to put in a curve here and one here, and just draw a little bit here for one. And then of course there's a bunch of patterns, so I'm just going to quickly do this, just the main things here. So I'm just going to go ahead and separate this really quickly. And then there's this diamond that comes through here at an angle. And another one. So hopefully I'm not overcomplicating this and that I am helping you. I just feel that it does need some of this detail, right? Okay, so then here, just gonna zigzag across and some circles. Okay, so same thing on the other side. It's gonna be, let's just put it this way. Okay, and then let's see here, same thing. Zigzag and then some circles. There, okay. And hopefully I'm not missing anything, but that is pretty much it. And I'll just add a heart right here on her top. to make this my new Draw So Cute Moana from Disney's Moana 2. I really hope you love this new version of her and that I helped you draw her fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.